In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cash out an employee's annual leave at any time. We'll walk through this process using your payroll system step by step so you can confidently convert an employee's annual leave balance into a cash payment when it's needed. Before you start, make sure you have the correct permissions to access payroll and that you understand your local employment laws and any company policies about leave cash out, including any written approvals you might need from the employee. First, from your main dashboard, navigate to the payroll area. This is where all employee payments, timesheets, and leave information are managed. Once you're in payroll, look for the leave section and click on it. The leave screen shows you all existing leave requests and balances, and it's also where you'll create the cash out request. Next, click on New Request. Instead of creating a normal leave request for time off, you're going to choose the option specifically for converting leave into a payment. When the options appear, select Cash Out Leave. This tells the system that the leave will be paid out rather than taken as days off. Now it's time to choose who this applies to. Click on the employee field, then select the relevant employee from the list. Take a moment to confirm you've chosen the correct person, especially if you have multiple employees with similar names. Once the employee is selected, you'll need to specify what type of leave you're cashing out. Click on the Choose a Type field, then select Annual Leave. This ensures the system reduces the correct leave balance and applies the correct rules and pay rates. You'll now see fields for the details of the cash out. Enter the amount of leave to be cashed out, such as the number of hours or days, along with any required dates or notes. Carefully review the summary to make sure the leave type, employee, and amount are all correct. Then click Approve. Approving this request confirms that the leave is now set to be paid instead of taken. After approving, go back to the payroll area. From here, click on Pay Employees. The approved cash out will now be included in the employee's next pay run alongside their normal earnings. Review the pay run to make sure the cash out amount appears as expected and that the totals look correct. Once you're satisfied everything is accurate, click Close to finish. That's the full process for cashing out an employee's annual leave at any time, from creating the request through to including it in their pay.